Hi everyone, I'm Aditya Sridhar and welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. This video is for all the repeaters. As a repeater, the biggest mistake that you make is that you do the same thing again and again and you expect a different result. I scored a 99.75 percentile in my first attempt and guess what? It was not enough for my dream college. मुझे JBIMS नहीं मिला and मैं बहुत ज़्यादा disappointed था. But I decided to repeat and next year I got a 99.99 percentile all India rank 5 and I converted my dream college JBIMS. So if you are a repeater, watch this video till the end. I will tell you the mistakes I made, what I changed and how you can copy my strategy to get into JBIMS. So the first thing I want to talk about is why I repeated. मुझे 99.75 percentile मिला था. Many people told me it's a great percentile because सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है 99.75. They also told me Sydenham is a good college, good ROI and MBA CET is really unpredictable. तो next year उससे भी कम percentile आ सकता है. But I knew that I did not want to settle. I knew मेरा potential क्या है and I believed in myself. So for everyone repeating, congratulations that you did not settle. And just remember जो आपका last year का score था was not a fluke. It was your hard work. So it is your baseline. It is not your ceiling. आप अपने लास्ट अटेम्प्ट से बेटर डेफिनेटली कर सकते हो बिकॉज मैंने भी किया था. बट आपको सेम मिस्टेक सेम प्रेपरेशन नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू बी स्मार्टर, शार्पर एंड बेटर दिस टाइम इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर स्कोर. एज आई सेड पहले, सेम चीज़ करके यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट अ डिफरेंट रिजल्ट. So let's talk about what I did wrong in my first attempt when I scored a 99.75 percentile. First चीज़, मैं complacent हो गया था in my preparation when I started getting good scores and mocks. So I got 140 in a few easy mocks during my preparation. जो लोग बोल रहे थे is CET level. So I thought कि JB अभी हो जाएगा, 140 is a good score. But remember guys, mock score से कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. Mocks is to find your mistakes and improve. Mock score, कोई भी mock score से JBIMS कभी भी confirm नहीं होगा. So do not consider your mock scores कि कोई 160 भी आता है आपको, 170 भी आता है. You cannot stop preparing hard, you cannot stop working hard. So remember this is one mistake I made. The second mistake I made was during the D-Day मेरा question selection थोड़ा गलत हो गया था. I got too invested in puzzles. ज़्यादा टाइम मेरा लग गया था. I did not leave them properly and उसके वजह से मुझे उसमें इतने अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं मिले और मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो गया. The third thing is I was really stressed during the D-Day. I did not handle the stress well. I was very nervous. So because of that also my performance got affected during my first attempt. During my second attempt, this is what I did. Firstly, my preparation पूरी तरह mocks पे based था. I started my preparation with a mock. What I had to study, what I had to improve, everything was based on mock and mock analysis. I will definitely make a separate long video on mock analysis. But I used to take a mock for 2.5 hours and my mock analysis at least at the start used to be 5 to 6 hours. So that's a thumb rule. But I will make a separate video on mock analysis. Do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that out. The second thing I did was I improved my question selection. मैंने और काफ़ी practice किया because I knew that I did not have to study the concept so much. So I improved my question selection. Leaving questions faster, not being egoistic about any topic, not getting stuck. I used to leave questions very easily. बहुत टाइम हमें वो ईगो आ जाता है बट मैंने अपने आप को वैसे ट्रेन कर दिया था कि there was no ego and I used to leave questions very fast and my question selection became very strong. The third thing I did during my preparation was जो भी मेरे strong sections और topics थे, I improved them, I became faster in them. कैलकुलेशन स्पीड, रीडिंग स्पीड इम्प्रूव कर ली थी मैंने. शॉर्टकट सीखे थे इन अ फ्यू टॉपिक्स विच सेव मी टाइम. सो वॉट एवर इज योर स्ट्रेंथ, यू हैव टू मेक दैम बेटर सो दैट यू हैव more time for the other questions. The fourth thing was I was much calmer on the D-Day. I did not take so much pressure on myself. I told myself on the D-Day that it is just an exam, and if not anything, I can always go for another attempt as well. There is nothing to worry about, and that really helped me give a really good performance on the D-Day. The fifth thing I did was no negativity, no complacency during the preparation. ये मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोचा कि it is not possible. I always knew the stuff but never thought it was not possible. I kept working towards it, and there was no complacency during the prep also. जब मैं preparation कर रहा था and I knew I wanted ये college so bad, I really wanted to get into JBIMS, so I ensured कि I don't get complacent and I'm not negative. तो ये सब changed during my second attempt that helped me get JBIMS. So what I want all the repeaters watching this video to know is that obviously थोड़ा सेल्फ अवेयर रह के एनालाइज करो कि आपने क्या मिस्टेक्स किए, उसके हिसाब से that's how I changed a few things in my second attempt. But one thing is that repeaters do have an advantage over freshers because obviously आपका syllabus already पता होता है आपको, you have been through the exam pressure once, so you do have an advantage and you have to use it really well. You have to practice more because again there are no concepts or syllabus that you have to practice more, you have to take more mocks, and you have to improve after every mock and improve your score slowly and don't stop till you keep consistently getting rank number 1 in all the mocks. फिर भी don't stop, just keep improving yourself mock on mock and you will get JBIMS, because that's what I also did. So there are 3 months to go. Even if you're starting from scratch, freshers भी crack कर सकते हैं CET in 3 months. You're a repeater, आपको more than sufficient है. Don't repeat the mistakes that you made. If you've left sections and कोई section आपका weak था, ये सब जो mistakes आपने previous attempt में किए होंगे, please don't repeat that. There is enough time to cover everything, to strengthen everything, to improve everything. If you're looking to help to do that, we at TTP have helped hundreds of repeaters. Many of them have gotten into JBIMS, and as a repeater myself, obviously we know what it takes as a repeater to crack JBIMS. मैं श्रीकांत वेदांत तीनों ने सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में ही CET क्रैक किया था, एंड वी ऑल 3 हैड अ गुड स्कोर, और हम लोग का थोड़े से रह गया था JBIMS at the start, and we repeated and we got amazing ranks and scores. So if you are interested, do get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. I'll see you guys in the next video.